Question number 4, first part. The SQL select provide clauses for grouping data and for finding aggregate results. Write the name of the clause. Students, can you remember? Yes, it is group by clause. Next question. What is web framework? It is a software tool to build and run dynamic websites and web-enabled applications. Example, Django, Python. Next question. What is the default port of built-in Django web server? Answer is 8000. Many students are confused in this answer. They can also write 127.0.0.1, but this is the default IP address. Here it is asking the default port number, and port number is 8000. So students, attempt this question carefully. Next question. What is the difference between delete and drop command in SQL? Delete command is a DML command and used to delete records from a table. Delete from staff where name equal to Garg. But drop is a DDL command and used to drop a table or database. Syntax is drop table staff. Next question. Write the command to create web project and web app in Django. So students, for creating the project, command is Django admin start project name. Example is Django admin start project +2. And for creating the app, Django command is Python manage.py start app name. And example is Python manage.py start IP. Here +2 is the name of project and IP is the name of app. Question 4th, F part. Study the following tables, office and accounts, and write the output. There are 3 questions and you have to write the output for these 3 questions. First question, select department, count star from office where sex is female. So this is the office table, and now we can check how many female candidates are there. There are only 4 female candidates. Now you have to group by them using department column. So check group by you have to do. So here total sales department have 2 female candidates, finance 1 female candidate, and research 1 female candidate. But now you have to write having only count star greater than 1, means only sales and 2 will be the result in this way. Next question. Select average of experience, qualification from account S1, office S2. So you have to concern about these 2 tables. You have to calculate the average of experience. Sorry, I have calculated the average of basic in this column by mistake. Now where S1.id equal to S2.id. Now first of all let us check the IDs. I think yes, these are each and every ID is in the same sequence. Now group by qualification. So you will first group by this qualification. Count how many MBA records are there. There are 3 records of having MBA qualification. Now you will find the basic salary average, means add the basic salaries of all the candidates and divide them by the number of candidates. So for MBA you will calculate the basic salary average by adding these 3 and dividing by 3. So answer will be like this. For MBA 20,413, and for BTech, CA, IC, WA and MTech you will find in the same way. Next question. Select name, basic plus allowance. Name we will find from this column and basic plus allowance from this column. From office A, account SE. Here alias name is given for both the tables. Alias name of office table is A and alias name of account table is SE. Now you have to equate their common column. S.id equal to SA.id and year of date of joining is 2002. So calculate how many candidates have date of joining year as 2002. There are only two records, Siddharth and Ragini. So output you have to write by adding their basic plus allowance salary, and result will be in this way: Siddharth 20,640 and Ragini 20,685. Next question. Again there are the same tables, but in this part you have to write out the commands. Note the output. Let's see. Display the name of all CAs. How will you check who is CA? By qualification. What you have to write? Their name, having more than 5-year experience, using this column. So both these table you have to concern about. Always keep in mind, whenever you have to take data from two tables, you always will equate the common column. Means ID column is same in both the tables, so you will put equality condition on ID column of both the tables. So how will you write the answer? Select name from office O, comma accounts A, where qualification is CA and experience greater than 5, and O dot ID equal to A dot ID. Here O is the alias name of office and A is the alias name of accounts. Next question. Display the number of staff department wise. Whenever you will see wise or category or each, these three words, always keep in mind that this question will be done with the help of group by clause. Means group by department is must here, and to count the number of staff you will use the count star function. So you will write the answer in this form: select department, comma count star from office group by department. Third question. Hike the allowance of all staff by 500 rupees. How will you hike? Hike means increase, means you have to change the data, for which you will use update command, and you will write update accounts set allowance equal to allowance plus 500. Next and the last question. Delete the record of Ragini from office table. So for deleting the records you will use the delete command, and you will write delete from office where name equal to Ragini.